Hi, welcome. We're still going over the details of the auto start of Hlwm, and we are at the layouting. So one or two things we've probably done already, and this one for sure. Mod space. If we do a Control T and a Control T, we have three of them. And a mod space is going to show you different kind of things. It's going to cycle between the vertical look and the horizontal look, a max and a grid. So meaning super space is the one I'm using a lot, is going to cycle between these guys. Okay, so that's one thing, that's one keyboard shortcut already. So the mod space, then there's the mod P, pseudo tile, super P, not really my kind of thing, but it's just this one, super P. Super F, yes, really my thing, full screen. Okay. And the mod S is a floating toggle, so something like this, and you can move it about and do it like that. Now this guy, you can move them any way you see fit, and then make a nice screenshot. Make our bonsai, for instance, here. Remember, has been a while since I've used it, so here it is, our little bonsai. So super space, not gonna work here. Super floating was S. Not really using those things, and we can again make it any way you see fit. And that's all about layouting, all about these little keyboard shortcuts, which of course are important. All right.